Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Kang, and today we're going to talk about dividends. So the question is, what is dividends? Dividends are just like interest that you would normally acquire in like a bank account, for example, but for stocks. So let's say I own 100 shares of JP Morgan stocks. JP Morgan has a dividend of 90 cents, and they pay out those 90 cents every 3 months. And these 90 cents are per share. So if I own 100 shares of JP Morgan stocks, then I'll be making $90 as dividends every 3 months. And these dividends you receive regardless if the stock prices go up or go down. There are also a lot of traders who specifically focus their stock account on dividend stocks, because dividend stocks don't really have a huge change within the stock price itself, but they have a really high dividend payment amount, which means depends on a company that you're investing in that pays dividends, you could make profit monthly or every 3 months without worrying about the stock price going up or down. There are also something like what I would call like a hybrid stock, where you can make both profits from the stock price and from dividends. Those would usually be the stocks in the financial sector, such as banks like Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, etc. While banks don't really have like a huge volatility, some banks still have a reasonable amount of development within their stock prices. JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs is like one of the good examples. Banks also pay like a reasonable amounts of dividends. For example, JP Morgan, as I mentioned before, pays about 90 cents per share as dividends every 3 months. And correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but the last time I checked, Goldman Sachs pays $1.25 per share as dividends. But you also have to account the fact that the individual stock price for Goldman Sachs is also a lot more expensive compared to JP Morgan. However, those two are only examples. There are probably a lot more companies and funds that actually pay out higher dividend rates. This channel is not about telling you guys which stocks to buy, so I will leave the judgment which stocks are good for you to your research that you have done and your investment tactics and strategies that you have developed. However, if you guys need help actually researching a specific company, then you guys can put the name of the company on the comment section, and I will make a video specifically talking about that company. So this is it for this video, guys. So if you have a question, please leave a comment on the comment section. If you liked the video, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you liked and loved the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. This was Kang, and have a nice day.